Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing for louder output. Do this now. First, update firmware and confirm Bluetooth signal is stable. This fixes hidden bugs that limit volume. Next, clean speaker meshes and silicone tips carefully. Blockages reduce sound pressure. Then, disable any volume limit and choose an EQ preset like Late Night because it increases perceived loudness. Once done, make sure your phone's volume slider and the Airpods themselves are at high but comfortable levels. You're ready for the next steps. Now you dive into software tweaks that raise output without hardware changes. You should turn off sound check so your tracks aren't volume normalized down. Then use the EQ. Late Night or a custom bass/treble boost increases perceived loudness. Next, check accessibility audio balance and center it unless one ear needs compensation. If you need more, use a reputable headphone app with a preamp or DSP. Slowly increase gain and listen for distortion. Make sure to pause and compare. That prevents accidental overdrive. Finish with physical tweaks and verification. You must get a proper seal, swap tips until you feel solid isolation. Foam tips often boost bass and perceived loudness. If sound still seems weak, reset the AirPods Pro and reconnect because config glitches can limit volume. Once done, test the pods on another device to rule out your phone. If output remains low after these steps, contact Apple support or pursue repair. Sometimes driver or amplifier faults require professional fixes. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.